invested in logistics team. So we have our own
Hey
raw
guys,
materials.
natanggap tayo
for
extension
pickup,
wire, guys.
raw material supply namin. Matagal na kami
Extension wire na may
cement since 2020.
USB cord.
Isa siya sa maging
Supply 5DC.
pinakamalaking suporta sa amin nung pandemic.
Pinabili ko ng may-ari ng
quality, dekalidad.
plug
So ordering, mabilis
kasi
yung response
hindi na
nila,
po ito pwede.
nakaka-deliver agad.
Hindi pwede
Pag kailangan ko ng madaming semento, pinapadala.
ibalik.
Pag kailangan ko ng
Kasi
konti,
baka
matagal na yung
baka
pag-support
sumabog na.
cement. Sa quality, wala kaming problema.
Ayan.
When it comes to
Ito
technical,
yung plug niya.
kompleto din sila. We have a really good relationship
Ayan.
with Northern Cement and they have been one of our longest
Tapos
suppliers.
baliktan na natin to.
What we want is to leave all our projects with quality assurance, aesthetically made. Kasi ready-mix concrete is 50% ready-mix concrete supplier, 50% contractors. If magaling contractor and maganda yung supply ng quality cement, maganda yung pagka-finish, maganda yung pagkagawa, it will last long. Yung roads, schools, buildings na na-pour namin.